Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make yakitori. Usually, we don't make yakitori at home. It's kind of restaurant food. But you can make yakitori if you buy special grill at Kappabashi Kitchenware Street that I filmed the other day. The other day, I found the interesting Yakitori Kit on internet. It seems I can make yakitori at home. Sounds very easy and interesting. Okay, and the package has arrived. It took 1 month actually, but finally arrived. So let's open it. Okay, so I have 2 packages. One with black box and the other one in a brown box. And it says Toriko, the name of the restaurant. So let's open this. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's a leaflet. And oh, this is a guide. It's an instruction how to grill yakitori. So in detail. Under this cover. Wow! Wow! So whoa, there's 10 sticks of yakitori. Different part of chicken. And what else? What's inside? They have charcoal oil. Oh yeah, so they offer a special oil from charcoal. Then yakitori sauce from Toriko restaurant. Salt. This is salt in a plastic cup. And also I have a brush. Wow, I have a special brush for yakitori. Wow. Then don't know at the moment how to use this. I don't know how to pronounce. And salt. This is a yuzu pepper, black and shichimi, black shichimi. So Japanese herbs and black sesame, kuro shichimi. Smells good already. The smoked salt, sakura cherry blossom flavor. Interesting. And last one. Okay, so black pepper, coarse black pepper. And what's this? And this is a cylinder glass bottle. I still don't know how to use it. Those products are in this box. And by the way, these chicken are now frozen, so I have to defrost. Let's open this box. Yeah, and it says this is a special yakitori grill. Yeah, Toriko yakitori grill for veranding. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! So there's an instruction book. Yay! Home size yakitori grill machine. It says Toriko. Like inside is like this. This is a tray to put under the grill. I'm really excited to make yakitori at home. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so the chicken is defrosted. So let's start making yakitori with using special yakitori grill. Let's pour water. So there's a 5 kinds yakitori. This one box is for 2 people. So I have another set. Chicken thigh, chicken wing, chicken tail, chicken neck, and chicken gizzard. I prepared 2 plates today. I bought from Kappabashi Kitchenware Street. Why not? Okay, now let's start. Turn on the heat. Oh, I already feel it's getting hot. Oh wow, it's so fast. I follow this instruction today. So I start from chicken thigh. Oh, it's my first time to do this at home, so it's really excited. put it apart, the chicken, each chickens, before grilling. Just like that. Ooh, it's cool. And then, according to the instruction, I have to wait for 4 minutes without adding oil. So please keep like this for 4 minutes. Then we turn over and grill another 4 minutes. And they recommend to put the special sauce, yakitori sauce, in it and dip. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, it's very good to do yakitori at home. So maybe home style yakitori. And then we continue this for 3 times. Dip and grill, dip and grill, dip and grill. For each time, 20 seconds. So usually people go to the yakitori restaurant and they eat and then drink sake together and chat. And while that, the yakitori chef makes yakitori one by one for the customers. That's the style. I feel like I'm like a yakitori restaurant chef. Yakitori chicken thigh is done. For this chicken thigh, they recommend to put yuzu kosho. We will do chicken wing next. For the chicken wing, the instruction says it's better to add charcoal oil. This is charcoal oil. I put this oil over that chicken wing. Let's do chicken wing and wait for 7 minutes. A hot yakitori is so tasty, so I want to try tasting and also drink some sake. So I'll drink my favorite sake. I drink a little bit. Yakitori first. I taste this one. Itadakimasu. The chicken is very chewy and the sauce is not too sweet. Okay, how about tasting with sake? Kanpai! It's a good combination. Okay, and then I'll also try adding with yuzu and yakitori sauce and the yuzu pepper. It's always good. Really feel like I'm at restaurant. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe it's so fresh. And of course, they use a brand chicken. So it's a little bit different from the yakitori that I bought from the supermarkets or other shops. Oh, it's so entertaining. This is well designed for home. Now let's turn over. And the other side, also 7 minutes. It's good for black shichimi. Shichimi is a 7 herbs in Japan. And the color, usually the color is red, but this one is black. And this is a chicken neck. It's already 4 minutes. I needed to put some salt over it and grill another 4 minutes. And then while waiting, let's taste the chicken wing. It's really fresh. I might try another sake. And this is a sweet dry sake. Oh, good. Sweet. Okay, let's take it out. And in the meantime, I will put the charcoal oil for chicken tail. It says a bit strong, so I put a lot. Chicken tail for 6 minutes. And I think I have to pour excess water because the water starts to evaporate it. Okay, now tasting time. Wow, it's a chicken neck. And for this chicken neck, so let's put black pepper. But sometimes a little bit chunky. It's very simple and traditional yakitori. Hi, Supervisor Sui. How are you? Oh, she's surprised. What's that? This is Yakitori, Sui-chan. I'm Sui. Do you enjoy the recipe video? I hope so. She's so interested in many things. I'm happy to share this moment with you. And if you do barbecue at home a lot, maybe you can do yakitori at your home. So you can buy this kind of skewer and skew the chicken, different part of chicken. It might be good to sand with vegetables like onion, paprika, and mushroom. between the chicken. Let's prepare the last one. Chicken gizzard. It sounds scary, but gizzard. Let's put some oil over the chicken gizzard. Also, let's put salt over it. And let's grill for 2 minutes each. Only 2 minutes. Okay, let's start. We have to continue this 2 times. Okay, so the chicken tail is also done. I'll try chicken tail with truffle and salt. But at first, I want to taste chicken tail. It's very, very soft. This is the chicken tail. And truffle. And some part of chicken tail is a little bit chunky, but it's yummy. And I put salt a lot, so it's good with sake or beer. It's good pairing. I feel like I chat with somebody. somebody. Maybe you. Now we turn over and continue another 2 minutes. Yum yum. And the last one, chicken gizzard, is also done. And so I turn off the heat. Okay, last one. Let's taste chicken gizzard with smoked salt, which has a smell of cherry blossoms. Ooh, sounds fancy. I want to try salt first. I tasted smoked. And I slightly taste the flavor of sakura cherry blossoms. I mean the sakura flavor we use in Japan. Okay, let's try tasting. Every bite, you need a power. But I like this one. I think this one is also good for truffle salt. Yum yum yum. I love chicken gizzard too. So 5 kinds. Yakitori is done. We made a chicken thigh, chicken wing, chicken neck, chicken tail, and chicken gizzard. The seasonings are yuzu pepper, black shichimi, 7 herbs, and truffle and salt, and black pepper, then smoked salt. So how was the recipe today? I'm sure you can make yakitori at home with using this kind of machine. I'm sure you can find this kind of small yakitori grill on Amazon. So please try it out. In today's video, I hope you learn how to grill and how many minutes of each part of chicken, and also to understand the variety of seasonings to enjoy yakitori. Thank you for supporting, subscribing, and like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and push the bell button for notifications of new recipe updates. I might do sudden live streaming in Tokyo or in Japan, so please check my community page too. Let's communicate. And if you have a question, please comment the message box down below. And don't forget to push the like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye. またね